You need to understand that tasks can be created in an orderly way through symbols. If we want to create our daily tasks, we need a symbol. Today, we'll be looking at algorithm. When we say algorithm, what do we mean? Not just algorithm, we'll be looking at examples of algorithm for making a cup of tea, algorithm for washing hands. If you want to make a cup of tea, you can't just wake up and start drinking tea, right? You need a procedure. First, let's see the definition of algorithm. When we say algorithm, what are we really talking about? First, have you ever heard of the word algorithm? Do you know what algorithm really means? Now, let's see the definition of algorithm. An algorithm is a sequence step-by-step procedure taken to solve a problem. Or you can say algorithm is a step-by-step procedure taken to solve a problem. Algorithms are used by us in our everyday life activities. To prepare a cup of tea every morning requires an algorithm. We don't just realize it. Sometimes getting up and preparing for school requires an algorithm. Let's see some examples of algorithm. We have algorithm for making a cup of tea. We also have algorithm for washing our hands. We have algorithm to show the activities of kids from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. That means from evening to the next morning. We also have algorithm for Peter's Saturday's afternoon and algorithm for daily routine of a businesswoman. Now let's see algorithm for making a cup of tea. How do you make your cup of tea? In making a cup of tea, you can't just wake up in the morning, grab your teacup and start drinking tea. Is it possible? I can hear a big no. In taking tea, you need a procedure. You need a step-by-step procedure. Steps for making a cup of tea. First, fill the jug with water. Number 2, heat water. 3, put a tea bag inside the cup. 4, pour hot water into cup. 5, wait for a few minutes to allow the tea bag dissolve in water. Step 6, take tea bag off. Step 7, add milk. 8, you drink your tea. Let's see the pictures. You can see we have step 1, which is fill jug. Step 2, heat water. Step 3, tea bag. Step 4, hot water. Step 5, you dissolve. Step 6, remove. Step 7, add. And step 8, you drink. Let's see algorithm for washing hands. Just imagine your hands are dirty. Will you just go to the tap, put your hand under the tap and start washing your hands? I can hear a very loud no. So we need a procedure to wash our hands. We can't just start washing our hands automatically. It's not possible. So let's see the steps for washing our hands. For washing our hands, the first step we have here is to open the tap and get hands wet. If you want to wash your hands, you open the tap and get your hands wet. 2, apply soap. 3, scrub your hands. 4, rinse hands. 5, dry hands with a clean towel. And 6, turn off tap. You can see the picture. We have the picture of getting hands wet. You can see the next picture close to it is apply soap, while the other one is scrub it. The other one we have the rinsing, and also we have the dry. Then you turn off the water. Now let's do a recap of our today's lesson. We talked about algorithm, where we said algorithm is a step-by-step procedure to solve a problem. Then we also talked about how we can take a cup of tea. We said we can take a cup of tea by following these steps from 1 to 8, which is fill jug, heat water, tea bag, hot water, dissolve, remove, add milk, and you drink your tea. The other one we also talked about is washing of our hands. If you want to wash your hands, you must follow a procedure, which is get hands wet, apply soap, and so on. We've come to the end of this lesson. Yay! If you know you have any question, any comment, make sure you drop your comments in the comment box. Can't wait to see you in my next class. Bye.